AHA process is proud and pleased to introduce you to Economic Development That Benefits Everyone, a book and workshop. Let's hear from the author of the book, Mary Cassioppi.
So the whole idea of the book, Economic Development That Benefits Everyone, is talking about how poverty reduction really is a key strategy to economic development. So I spent about 16 years in community and economic development, working for and running chambers of commerce, economic development organizations, worked for a municipality doing economic development, and then after 8 years in this poverty reduction space, I started to see how my two worlds were really starting to collide. And many times it was at odds with one another, where in community and economic development, we didn't really talk about poverty reduction all that much. And in the poverty reduction work, we weren't really talking about economic development. At the end of the day, we're really selling the community, and that includes your community's demographics. And a lot of that shows your poverty rates. And so there are times where you can't attract the industries or the retailers that you want in your community because of those demographics. So those in community and economic development should really be engaged in the poverty reduction conversation to really better the product that they're selling of their community at the end of the day.